everybody. I see my picture I run on social media, so my beat people pick me, everybody I run with it. May God bless me with 2 sons. I have a 22-year-old son.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Well, go on, bless up on yourself. You know the style, though. Yeah, man, so subscribe if it's your first time over the channel, where you can receive all of the latest, is it? Okay, guys, so this lady, Anne-Marie, say, she don't know how our picture get involved in the 6 individuals, is it? So she got a station and clear up her name and thing, is it? So this lady is not involved, is it, guys? So besides that, though,
And everybody, I see my picture I run on social media, so my beat people pick me, everybody I run with it. May God bless me with 2 sons. I have a 22-year-old son, and I have a baby just born a couple days ago. I have a baby Thursday. Thursday, I have a baby, I'm come out of the hospital. Friday, every day I go look for my baby where God sent. Every day I don't know what dirty nigga want with me, I want to talk about. When I talk about, take my picture and put up my picture, say me, beat people, make me come out and talk, I'm going to station. I'm going to go in, I'm going to give myself the policeman, say, never see me in a dance, and he have me there dance, yet him don't know what they talk about, and me not guilty of nothing for going home, go take care of my baby and take care of myself. I got station yesterday with my lawyer. Me not guilty of nothing, me not do nothing. Nothing you got put up my picture for me, don't know for what reason when them hate me for. Me not guilty of nothing. Please, me I beg gonna take down my picture. Stop run with my picture, cause me not do nothing. I'm Minnie and Maria, me not hide, me not wanted, me not do nothing. Me want to take down my picture. See me evidence, yeah. But just have my baby, I know I can read. See it there? See it there? See piece of the paper, yeah. See my receipt, I don't care page. See the baby bird paper, something, yeah. Only can read. Me a baby Thursday. See it there? Thursday, me a baby. See the baby passport, yeah. See the baby passport, yeah. I don't know what you're talking about. I just have my young baby. Me I beg on take them picture and stop spread picture. And stop spread fucking guns. And the little girl mother come and show and say, me not in it and showing the people and who in a daughter something. I don't even know a little girl. I never see the little girl yet. And still I run with the picture and run and talk and a black.
so after we happened to Kaylan, guys, you can guess what? The boy Shebada have to say. Listen, I know this is not a personal feeling.
No,
like that, but
I
you
never
need to get put in place.
Argument exude. So it's not like you look at me, so I'm just start beat you with the slippers in your head. Bloop, 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 bloop. Wanna go like on the 2 downs. An argument exude. No, if an argument exude, that is freedom for you to exit, for you to elude the crowd. Because guess what? Your army is not enough. Your army is not enough. So if you look at me, bad, I'm going to argue. A big old girl, where you look at me so far. You understand me? So even in a case where we're in a case, the rest of people who come with me have to realize the war are going. Don't tell me shit. Do not tell me shit. The whole on a go like idiot. Something in a something. An argument exude before the leak is. But true.
Yeah, people, so since the guy, you know he's a guy, yeah, so since the guy made that speech, people against him, big time.
And you, as a party man, are going to look for me. We'll live out there. You say, look, girl, this one, you. What kind of heart you have in your chest, party boy? What kind of heart you have in your chest? Eh? And that's why you can start for party. You know, real soul. You know, real. You know, real, you. You know the separation that she got you right now. Me can't tell you. You know, pretty. I fight for the so too. Just like how I know say she a fight too. Ask my mother. The whole of the doctor them tell me. So I'm strong. Come fight. And come on. When they tell me say yo,
Me never did go walk. I never did go talk. I never did go remember nothing. See God there? My mother pray. My grandmother pray. The whole of my family pray as lesbian as me be. God listen. Listen and him bring me, you know. And him bring me, you know. One time the whole eye doctor them they tell my mother say, yo, me I go cripple in a wheelchair, you know. One time I come out of coma. I couldn't use me on them. Not even a scissors me can't use. Me no remember for do nothing. Now when my doctor say me have to train my brain. To learn again, to do everything. Even to climb a bumbuckler stairs. You tell me say, look girl, this you me if you tell me say after some human being beat her so and put her in that situation where I care put me in where I come 100 miles per hour. I want care put me in that day. And you mean to tell me you look a workless, blood clot, body man. You mean to tell me said the little girl deserve it? Why? She is 17. The last time I checked the age of consent in Jamaica, 16-year-old. What is the age of consent? The age of consent means you can fully make decision all fuck. In a little batty boy. Nobody pitney no deserve that whether you're lesbian, you're straight or you're blood clad rare. Nobody pitney worse than some barbarian beat up the woman blood clad pitney. I want some barbarian dirty in all life. Bumbo clad people beat up the woman pitney so you and put her in a coma, bad man. 1% chance you gonna tell me say look a girl deserve it. You think a waste and you gonna fuck back to you? And you take up that for yourself. Don't take out none of your problem them for we out. Don't take out none of your problem them for we out. All but that in your bumbo clad mouth pussy hole. Back to bumbo clad sender. Receive that big hole boy. Receive that big pussy boy. And pray for you. You look a dirty blood clad parasite sodomite. Pray for your pussy hole. Go pray bumbo hole idiot boy. Go pray. Lift up your bumbo clot on them for the goodness, you. Pussy. Lift up your bumbo clot on them, you. And pray for your youth. Nobody pitting a bumbo clot, you boy. Money catch you, bust a gunshot in your face, you. No way you are the pussy. This is not a body activity, me want bust my gun in your face, you. Me no business override out your body hole like a furlong, you. Pussy, if you get a gunshot in your face right now, you.
First thing come to my mind,
You
the
see,
same thing as you say.
all you look after a little girl, blood clot, demise. You look hyper for a little girl, demise. What a pussy one parasite like you.
girl after your strength of the month.
Oh, you make a
And I see her
difference.
going out some money
Make
now.
a difference. You know, fella.
Yeah.
Ah, we bumbo clot off. Why the whole of we feel it, yo? Actually, you know, have none why you not feel it, yo. Behave your bumbo clot body self, no boy. Behave your body self, no youth. All sodomite, like me, have a heart, me have to ball for you. I don't know. Because I know. I know where our mother got through, my mother. Blood pressure high to this day. Because I'm jumping in a coma what she never know about. She couldn't find me. Just to see me like other mother there on TV about all so my mother did ball to in a batty boy. Wicked suckwood boy. And some my mother did a ball to in a pussy. What I'm telling you, you can't wear rape and people pick me like that, youth. What kind of heart you have in your stomach, batty boy? You youth, you think some me that come here so come classy and tell you about rape? How much shirt you have been, bumbo old boy. Go get some heart, go get a heart put in your bumbo clot chest boy, you're empty. Look up bumbo clot boy, you're empty, me say pray for your youth. Baby, you go walk again, mama. You have your whole life ahead of your babes. You just left school, you know. You're 17. You have your whole life ahead of your baby. Fight with me, because we are fighting you too, you know, mama. No for we not get no sleep because of you. Now, me see the girl make a TikTok with your voice. How you feel? No for we the bumbo clot social media every day. I do we live them. We enough people idle pussy. And you Yeah, no nobody to look up to, but she did look up. And see you, pussy. Look at you. Look at you. You got talk about you make a difference. You make a different talk. You make a wicked talk. Because you're wicked enough to make man a fucking in your body hole, you know. Say it not even surprise me, you. You're not hard, bitch.
Batty boy, Shebada,
You're not
man.
hard. Look for the woman for the Bumbuckler TV. He's a big waist body, man. A big waist of fuck. You. You're not hard, you. Enough of we can't sleep since I look a girl like now she in a why? Because we have a heart. Enough of we have cousin, enough of we have auntie, enough of we have pitney. Enough people have pitney. Girl pitney when I reach nowhere yet. You think nobody have a blood class second you on that boy? You know how much girl pitney I walk boy? You know how much? Them have parents. Don't ever try that, youth. Don't ever try that, youth. You know what? You want to look a waste body, man, youth. The whole of there is a grieve. We are ball. We are ball because we have heart. The whole of we are family, youth. All of we are family. I could have my little cousin, her mother named Buckley. My mother named Buckley. I have a little cousin that lied up on the bed. I didn't even know that, youth. Oh, you ever said that, bad man? Oh, you ever said that, youth? What kind of heart in your chest? What kind of heart in your chest, youth? Go on, go take her place and give her feel. Better have some pussy. Right now.